Hello, my name is Ryan Zakos with Zakos Realty here out of Sarasota, Florida. I'm a licensed real estate broker. I was born and raised here in Sarasota. My father was a police officer for 25 years, and together we started a real estate firm, Zakos Realty and Design Groups. Today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the #1 fastest and best-selling community in the United States. Lakewood Ranch, the last couple of years, has been deemed the #2 fastest growing multi-gen community in the United States. And the first half of this year has kind of passed all those designations and is now deemed the fastest growing community in the US. They have seen a staggering 1,535 homes sold in the first half of the year, which was an 83% increase over last year at this time. We are selling a ton of real estate to people that are relocating from California, New York, Massachusetts, New Jersey, a lot of these high-tech states that have been closed because of COVID. But you'd be surprised to know that those are not the only factors in determining this huge increase in sales in Lakewood Ranch. We've actually seen an 84% increase in first-time home buyers, 71% increase in empty nesters or retirees, and a 57% on second home purchases. People don't realize that this huge spark in home sales, which is driving up the price, lowering the supply, this is not due to just COVID. It is a kind of a perfect storm. So millennials are now 20 to 40-year-olds. They make up the largest demographic or generation in US history, and they are now just coming into the home buying scene. The same time with the baby boomers who are retiring. We have the largest number of retirees retiring at the same time, and they are coming to the home buying scene and relocating from out of state. And then as well as investors who are seeing this trend of Florida traffic and increase of population in Florida, who are trying to get in on the trend and purchase as investments or second homes in this area as well. That is what is making up this home buying demographic for Lakewood Ranch. Let's talk a little bit about, but why Lakewood Ranch? Why did they choose Lakewood Ranch, or why is anyone choosing Lakewood Ranch? Lakewood Ranch is providing more square footage for the dollar compared to other places in the country. So people are cashing out their equity that they have in their New York or California home, and they're getting a little bit more bang for the buck and moving that money here. Lakewood Ranch has wonderful proximity to tons of nature trails, biking trails, hiking, walking, jogging, whatever it may be. There's tons of parks, county recreational amenities, and this is a huge draw for people that are looking for an active lifestyle, whether young or old. Lakewood Ranch, generally speaking, is a young or newer community. The oldest neighborhood in Lakewood Ranch was only developed and built in the mid-90s, so therefore the majority of these communities are built and developed in the last couple of years. Whether you're grocery shopping or retail shopping or going to the cinema, everything feels new, it's clean, it's fresh. I think that's a huge draw for a lot of people. Lakewood Ranch in general is safe. It's super safe. That's another huge draw. And then it has wonderful activities and lifestyle communities. So a lot of these neighborhoods are either gated communities or they're in communities that have wonderful amenities, whether it's a resort style pool, hot tubs, bars, restaurants, tennis courts, pickleball courts, fitness centers, and even a lot of these communities have fitness directors that are on site that offer clubs and games and social events for residents of the communities. So it's a huge draw and something that a lot of people enjoy when looking at the area. Another thing is 3 townships or shopping centers in Lakewood Ranch. There's over 1,000 businesses, and this is what people really want. They want to enjoy the wonderful restaurants and the amenities and the shopping all at their fingertips, only a mile or 2 away from their home. So Lakewood Ranch is providing that. A-rated schools, is a great medical center. It has a beautiful, wonderful proximity to the local Gulf Coast beaches, the white sand beaches of the Gulf Coast of Florida. Proximity to the I-75 or the highway, which allows you to go up to Tampa, over to St. Pete, down to Naples, Fort Myers. So it's easy accessibility for travel. Has proximity to the airport, so whether you're flying out of Sarasota Bradenton Airport, whether you're flying out of St. Pete, whether you're flying out of Tampa, or even going down to Fort Myers or Punta Gorda, there are plenty of options for air transportation, and that's a big thing. And then another thing is the future growth in Lakewood Ranch. It's another big draw is it just seems to be getting better. They're opening up a Waterside, which is the first Lakewood Ranch community in Sarasota County. This fall, they're going to have a permanent farmers market. They're gonna have tons more coffee shops, ice cream shops, retail, restaurants, little downtown center. Players Theater is gonna be there, right in a big lake, and it's gonna be a wonderful draw, a wonderful destination for Lakewood Ranch, and then just adding and keep adding to the desirability and amenities that Lakewood Ranch has to offer. That is it for the video today regarding Lakewood Ranch and why best and fastest growing community in the United States. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. I look forward to helping you. Talk to you soon.